2-door, 1-shelf fitting instructions. Before we begin, here are some things to keep in mind. There is an attached list of components on the back page of the instructions. Always work on a soft flat surface to prevent damage and scratches to your new product. Do not over-tighten cams, screws or bolts unnecessarily. Some items may vary from the illustrations. Tools that you'll need is a star and flat screwdriver and a mallet. Remember the following. Cams have an opening at the bottom that should be facing the edge of the panel. Press it into the hole to fit. See step 1. The dowels are only inserted into the holes and steel pins needs to be screwed into the wood with the screwdriver. Let's begin. You are going to open the box. Inside you will find the fitting instructions and to the side one big bag of parts and a small bag of spare parts, 4 bun feet and a grand total of 9 panels. You will first unpack the 2 doors to the side of the box and then the next 2 panels, which are side panels, followed by the shelf. The next panel at the top is the bottom panel. You will insert 4 dowels and screw in 4 steel pins. Set this panel aside when done. The last big panel is the top panel. This panel will also take 4 dowels and 4 steel pins. Once done, keep it in front of you. Get one of the side panels and insert the 4 cams that this panel will take. The top panel should still be in front of you. Lower this side panel onto the top panel, ensuring the cams are facing towards the inside of the cabinet, and lock the cams closest to the bottom. Now get the other side panel and also insert the 4 cams into this panel. You can also lower this panel onto the top panel, ensuring that the cams are facing towards the inside, and lock the 2 cams at the bottom of the assembly, closest to the bottom panel. Get the bottom panel that was set aside earlier and lower it onto the assembly, ensuring the side with no edging is facing the same direction as the groove cut on the top panel. Lock the remaining cams on the side panels. Now turn the assembly onto its front, ensuring that the groove cut on the top panel is facing upwards. Get the 2 panels that is connected with tape at the bottom of the box. Unfold the panel and place it on top of the cabinet into the top panel's groove cut, ensuring the tape is facing upwards. By using the provided nails, secure the back panel to the cabinet by hammering them into the edge of the panel. You can use as many nails as you like. Just ensure you use nails on both the edges and the bottom. See step 6 for reference. Now turn the cabinet onto the top panel again and get the 4 feet and the 4 long screws. Simply place the long screw through the foot from the bottom, then line up the screw with the provided pilot holes on the top panel and screw it into the wood. Repeat this for all feet. When done, turn the cabinet back onto its feet. Get the 4 shelf pins and insert them into the holes in the side panels. Only put 1 shelf pin per row on the side panel and all at the same height. Next, get the shelf. It will be the panel with no holes, and just simply lower it onto the shelf pins. Move the assembly aside when done. You will be doing the doors next. You can gather 1 door, 2 hinges and 4 screws. Place the door onto the open box and put the hinge's biggest end into the big pothole in the door. The hinge will only fit into the pothole one way. See step 9 for reference. By using 2 screws, fix the hinge to the door and repeat this for the other hinge in the pothole as well. Next, get a handle and remove everything from its packaging. Also get 2 handle screws. Place the handle screws through the door from the same direction the hinges are facing. Thereafter, line up the handle from the opposite side of the panel, the front, and screw in the screws into the handle to fix the handle in place. Repeat this for the other door as well. Fix the 2 hinges and the handle to this door. You will now fit the door to the cabinet. Get any of the doors and line up the hinges with the pilot holes on the side panel of the big assembly, ensuring the handle is at the top. By using 4 screws, secure the 2 hinges to the cabinet into the pilot holes. Use 2 screws per hinge. Repeat this for the opposite door as well. Should you have a different product than the 2-door, 1-shelf cabinet, head to our channel to find the product you have purchased. Thank you for watching.